In this video, you will learn how to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, alright, which fixes some bugs and help you to work more productively with the phone. Let's just get right into it. First is to locate the settings of your iPhone and tap on it. You can see my own settings here. If you're having difficulty getting to it, tap on search. When you tap on search, type in settings, alright? So it will show up settings. As it shows up, tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to this page. Alright, so there's something we need to do here. Scroll until you get to general. Okay, tap on that general. Okay, you can see mine here. On getting to this page, you will see software update. Alright, software update. Tap on that software update. Now you can see my iPhone is updated to iOS 18.6.2. I did this update yesterday, but if you have not done any update, all right, you will see the information for you to download an update. Ensure that your phone is charged to at least 70% before engaging on this, or even 100%. So once you tap on that download update, after the update is done downloading, it will ask you whether you want your phone to restart immediately. Tap on that restart if you want that to be executed immediately, which I recommend, and your phone will be restarted and all the updates made. So that's how it works. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech, including how to make good use of your iPhone. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section, alright, and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. This video here contains another information on how to make good use of your iPhone. You can check it out. Thank you and see you some other time.